Micro tool, the two-word check. When a client's message feels ambiguous, don't ask for a full explanation. Ask for the 2 words that matter most. Which 2 words capture what you're really aiming for? This tiny filter reveals the priority instantly. Clients choose words that expose intent, urgency, emotion, and expectation, not because they try to, but because 2 words force clarity. Precision is not achieved through detail. It emerges when excess language falls away. Case, the brief that was 3 pages too long. A Swiss team sent a long, beautifully crafted project brief to their external consultant in Singapore. It described everything except the one thing that mattered most. The consultant didn't ask for a full clarification. She asked, which 2 words capture the core of what you actually need? The reply came instantly, predictable implementation. Those 2 words reframed the entire brief. The project suddenly made sense. Precision doesn't come from more language. It comes from the right language.